Hi, Lipyao here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn Christ Whose Glory Fills the Sky. Beautiful hymn. We're going to play it in the key of C, and these are the chords that you're going to need. Your usual C major chord, F, G, A minor. You're also going to need D minor and also E major. And those are the chords you need. Let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is in double or quadruple time. We will be using our standard strum, down, down, up, down.
Christ whose glory fills the skies, Christ the true, the only light, Son of righteousness arise, triumph o'er the shades of night, they spring from on high, be near, days dark in my heart appear.
Grab your song sheets and we'll play through all three verses. Again, you can download the song sheet in the link below.
Christ whose glory fills the skies, Christ the true, the only light, Son of righteousness arise, triumph o'er the shades of night, they spring from on high, be near, days dark in my heart appear. Dark and cheerless is the morn, unaccompanied by thee. Joyless is the day's return, till thy mercy's beams I see, till thou inward light impart, bled my eyes and warm my heart. Visit then this soul of mine, pierce the gloom of sin and grief, fill me radiancy divine, scattered all my unbelief, more and more thyself display, shining to the perfect day.
So that was the hymn Christ Whose Glory Fills the Skies. There are quite a few more chords that you might need to learn, like the E major. But again, I think it's all worth it. It's a beautiful hymn and pretty easy to play. So hope you enjoy it as much as I did learning it. See you next week.